Yo, what's hood? Everybody on YouTube, man, it's your boy PM Kicks, man. I am back with another unboxing for y'all today, man. But before we get into this unboxing, man, make sure you subscribe to the channel, man. Hit that thumbs up button if you like the content. Share the video, friends, family, gang members. Hit that notification bell so you won't miss another video, still review, unboxing, whatever I do. Like I said, please consider hitting that subscribe button, man. You won't regret it. I drop consistent content, man. And we turn it up, man. We turned up all 2019. All 2K19, we turning up, man. I ain't finna talk our ears off. Let's get into this unboxing. And honestly, this unboxing is from eBay. And I don't even know why I even bought this on eBay, because I hit like 2 or 3 different raffles on this shoe. I didn't want to get up. I didn't want to get out. It was a real lazy day for me. Like, seriously. Return receipt and all that shit. But we have here, wow, the 350s. Y'all know what 350 just recently came out. Boost right there. Adidas. And these are the Yeezy Boost 350 V2 statics. Colorway on this is static, and more static. Let me shot at that tag real quick. There y'all go. And yeah, I could have been had these like this. I could have been had these. This could have been like a real easy pickup for me, man. Like, I don't even know even waiting that long. And bling, flower, burr on the shoes, man. As y'all know, all the tags come on the left shoe. As you can see right there, there's the tag. Get that, y'all see that little chip right there? eBay, whatever. So the review, we be going to the right shoe, everything goes to the right. Wow. And let me give y'all that full 360 of the shoe all the way around, man. And somebody asked me a question about the statics before they came out. It was like, hey bro, how you feel about the statics? I said, hey, best colorway in the 350s all year. And this was before they even came out, and I still feel the same way, because all the other ones was just either too plain or re-released Yeezy that came out like last year, I think, yeah, last year. So that's why this is the best colorway. You know, it brings a different flavor to the 350s, and honestly, I'm ready for the V3s though. I mean, like, I got a lot of V2s, man, and I'm ready for the 350s, honestly. But yeah, man, enough of the talking. Let's get into the toe box of the shoe. Let me take this wrap the paper out. Now, as you can see, you have that thick standard prime knit, that real thick stitching going all the way up to the tongue. We all know that the laces are 3M. I'll try to get a picture in. You have the translucent see-through stripe that's on. Well, this is the first time it's translucent, but this is the standard stripe right here that usually says St. Pablo loves you -350, the SPL V or whatever, SPL Y, my bad. But yeah, it's usually like right around here, and it has the -350, but on this one it's translucent. As you can see, my thumb is right there. This little foam piece is actually the cushion for the heel, and this is a extra cushion for like your feet at the toe box area, the top of the feet. And the patterns on here is actually like, they kind of unique. It's a pattern, but like the pattern is all over the place, so you won't be able to like kind of trace it. You have to look a little hard to see like the little swoop right there. Like it's a pattern, but it's like all over the place, so you wouldn't be able to really recognize the pattern like that. Pull tab on the back, all white pull tab. You have that thick stitching going all the way up. Of course, you have the 3M with the 3 stripe hints right there. Yeezy, Adidas logo, Adidas. Inside of the shoe, the padding. I mean, to me, definitely the best 350 V2 to come out this year, if you ask me. Hold on. For the Boost Patrol, there y'all go. Boost symbol right there. A little tiny Adidas hint on the foot. You can't even see it. It's so milky, it just blends in. So you really can't see it. But yeah, I mean, like, the shoe looks unique. You know, it's not nothing that's like a sneakerhead to be like, oh, what these is. But you know, they definitely are eye catchers. But the shoe is kind of plain, but it's definitely an eye catcher in a way. Like, I can't really explain it. Like I don't know. Like, it's something that'll make somebody double look. But like, it's kind of plain. It's not out there, because you know we've been getting a lot of real out there colors. I mean, the zebras is kind of out there. The sesames was calm, cool. But you know, these, I think they should have added some more black into this. It would have made it pop a little bit. They would have made, it's just a white and gray shoe, but don't get me wrong, it's still dope. Definitely was a must cop. I said this was the best 350 drop before this even came out. So definitely still feel the same about the shoe. I could have got like 3 pairs of these. I only need 1. And yeah, man. Now I'm finna give you some pictures. Try to give you a couple pictures and do it on foot. So see y'all in a little bit, gang gang.
Still with me, and I guarantee you if I spill 50, they gon' spill with me. I got ball mains on, walk around with all chains on. And if a nigga even reaching my shit, then I'ma get his whole gang gone. All the niggas want problems, ain't met them, I'm poppin'. Old boy to my partners, niggas know how we rockin', yeah. I just wanna make me a bag, yeah. Hop in the whip and go fast, yeah. I want a whole lot of cash, yeah. A couple of M's in a bag, yeah. I want the cool with the stars in the ceiling. I don't give a fuck if you feel what I'm spitting. I'm a young nigga looking for bitches. I'm a young nigga fucking these bitches, yeah. What you gon' do about it, yeah. I bought a brand new bitch and I got me some jewels out of, yeah. I don't want fuck with you lame niggas. I'm trying to give me some cane, nigga. Hop on the block and go crazy, nigga. I been working the block like a slave, nigga. Yeah. Vandalize and violate your nation. I've been oh so patient. Lately they been talking out they faces. Now I just can't take it. Whole body flooded like a basement. This is so amazing. Doing numbers, shit look like the Matrix. Feeling like the Matrix. I done got my drip up, now I'm dripped out. Dick all in your bitch mouth. White girl like get out. I got big clout, now I ride with a stick out. I done got my drip up, now I'm dripped out. TVs in the big house, VVs on the wrist now. I'm so lit now, this shit don't make sense now. Just bust me a move, I'm jugging in school. I'm breaking the rules, it's blood on my shoes. I'm running off gas, just like a coupe. I walk in the booth and I take off the roof. I don't wear days, I tie my loops. He big mad cause I'm fucking his boo. Roll of wood, I'ma smoke till I'm through. Thought blew my high, that ain't all she blew. Pop me his hand, watch how I dance, I can't even dance. Shout out my daddy, he stuck in the can. They call me the kid cause he was the man. She wanna play, now we running a friend. But then when they leave, she gon' come back again. Used to be working for minimum wage, now she think I say cause I'm winning again. I ain't gon' play and I mean what I say, and ain't no other way you can say what I say. I can play with my words, we don't fly to the birds, we just pull out the feet and they come out they pants. We're like a slave for the way that we pay, and we don't get assaulted for no other man. Say that I will cause I know that I can. I'm young and I'm snapping, little bitch, I'm advanced. Ain't no more moving that hard work. We been chopping them stems, call it yard work. I can see your gas and it's all dirt. I can see your pockets, nigga, y'all hurt. Red bottoms dripping like a pipe burst. I got 10 on me, but that's light work. Soaking in designer, this a Montclair. Or a Montclair, was that the wrong word? Vandalize and violate your...
And like I said, man, that's it for the video, man. So hit that thumbs up button if you like the content, man. Share the video, friends, family, gang members. Hit that notification bell so you won't miss another video, still review, unboxing, whatever I do. And subscribe to join the Playmaker gang, man. I think I got these backwards. And we out this jam.